Here's how to exchange an item at Target. First, open the Target app or log into target.com. Now, tap on the profile icon. From here, select the option of purchase history. Choose the specific order containing the item you want to exchange. Then tap on return an item. Select return to store if you want to complete the exchange in person at a local Target location. Now you want to bring the original item and your digital barcode receipt to the store's guest services desk. Grab the new size, color, or item from the aisle and bring it back to the desk to complete the swap. Pay the difference if the new item costs more or receive a refund if it costs less. If you have selected mail it back instead, then you want to complete the online return prompts to generate and print your prepaid shipping label. Package the original item securely, attach the label, and drop it off at a designated carrier location. Go back to the Target app or website immediately to purchase the new item as a separate order so it does not sell out. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.